What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to be updating you guys on what has been happening inside our Clickbank account, inside our 30 days make money online challenge, where we are trying to make our first money from scratch using 100% free traffic and starting using social media accounts like TikTok, Pinterest and Instagram, starting from scratch. So today I'm just going to be updating you guys on the number 24th day, the 25th day, and today is actually the 26th day of our make money online challenge. So we have just a few days for this challenge to be closed, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be updating you guys on what has been going on inside our Clickbank accounts and also what has been going on inside our social media accounts, if we actually made any sale, and also how much traffic we got from this. So this is a realistic way to go and make money on Clickbank. So we're not using any paid traffic methods to go and promote our affiliate offers. We're starting from scratch and we're trying to make money hopefully by the end of this 30 days. So we might not make money by the end of this 30 days because this is a realistic way to make money using free traffic, and we might still make money in these 30 days of this challenge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be updating you guys on what has been happening inside our accounts. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the different accounts, then we're going to go back to our Clickbank accounts and I'm going to show you the analytics of what has been happening in the last 3 days in our Clickbank account. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys right here. You can see right here, this is our TikTok account. As you can see from here, right now we have up to 63 followers on this particular account right here. And you see from here, you can see that I've been posting content every single day. And you can see right here, I've been posting different styles of content, and you can see from here, some of them are getting views, but some of them are not getting a lot of views. So you can see, for example, some of them 8 views, you can see 84 views, 7 views, 9 views, etc. And what I've been doing is that I've been posting consistently, and I've also been trying to test different styles of content on this account. As you can see from here, there are different styles of content. I've posted images, I've posted before and after weight loss videos, I've posted, for example, story type weight loss videos and inspirational type weight loss videos to try and see what is going to work a lot better on this account. So what I've seen that it actually works well here on this account is by posting images. So you can see from here, as I showed you guys in the last videos, I've been posting this type of videos right here. These are just images that I download from Pinterest, and I just add an audio behind it, then I post it on TikTok. And I've been posting this as well because it has been getting me a lot of clicks as well from Pinterest. That's why I wanted to implement the strategy as well on TikTok and see if I'm going to get a lot more clicks from there. So you can see from here, this type of content is actually getting a lot more views. You can see this one right here has up to 400 views, but you can see this one, these are weight loss inspirational videos and different styles of videos. You can see some of them are getting only, for example, 8 views, 13 views, but you can see from here that this particular type of contents are actually taking off on this particular TikTok account. You can see from here, this one we have 462 views. You can see this one 454 views. You can see this one 242 views, and these are videos that I just recently posted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be posting more of this type of content on this account, since it's already proven to get views from here. As you can see, some of our videos as well are also getting a lot of views. You can see this one we have gotten up to 1,000 views on this particular video, and this is all driving traffic back to our affiliate website, and we're getting a lot of good clicks from TikTok as well, Pinterest, and also some few from Instagram. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be posting more of this content, and I'm still going to be mixing and matching with other styles of content so that we are going to go viral and get a lot of people to visit our website, and also actually hopefully make some good sales using TikTok. So let me show you guys, for example, on our Pinterest side of things. If I go right here on our Pinterest account, you can see from here, this is our Pinterest account. This is our first Pinterest account that we created from here. So right now we have up to 11 different Pinterest accounts, as I'm going to be updating you guys in a few days. So this was our first Pinterest account. As you can see from here, I'm still posting different styles of content right here every single day. So if you go to this account, you're going to see I've posted new content on here, and I've also started following a lot of people on this particular account. So for me to go and follow people on this account, what I do is I just look for similar content. So let me show you guys how I follow people right here. So let's say, for example, that this is a weight loss before and after weight loss video. Once it loads, what I do is that I'll just go right here, and I'm just going to look for these other accounts right here that are posting weight loss content. So let me just open, for example, this one. Most of the time you're going to see that they are actually posting content about weight loss, and most of them already have followers. So what we're going to do, we're going to unfollow the people that follow those accounts. So as you can see from here, this video has loaded from here. As you can see, we're just going to go to the accounts. You can see it's called weight loss tips. Once you go to accounts right here, you're going to see that it's going to load right here. You can see right here, this is the account, and you can see that I'm also getting up to 188,000 views every single month from this one account from here, and they're promoting weight loss offers. And to go and follow targeted followers, they're going to go and click on the followers of people that follow this type of accounts. And this is where you're going to go and follow some of this, so that if you're getting any followers at all, yeah, they're going to be targeted followers. As I told you guys, starting this challenge, followers don't matter a lot on Pinterest, because what matters a lot on Pinterest is your content. If you're going to post a lot of contents that go viral, you're going to get clicks, and most of the time you're not even going to get a lot of followers, but you're still going to get clicks, and you can still make a lot of sales without having any followers on Pinterest. So if you want to go and get followers as well, because they're also helpful, all you're going to do is you're going to use this method from here, as I'm using it on different accounts right here. And some of them are going to follow you, and they're going to view your content anytime that you post. So that's it, guys. So let me show you guys, for example, the analytics on this particular account. So let me go right here. I'll go to the overview. You're going to see that every single day we're getting a lot of impressions on this particular account, and we're getting traffic from this account back to our affiliate offer. I can see right now on this one account we are getting up to 2,000 impressions right now on these accounts. You can see our audience is growing every single day. So what I'm doing is I'm just posting consistently on this particular account, and I'm also trying to post consistently on the other different Pinterest accounts. For example, this one, see the other Pinterest account from here. You can see right here we've already gotten up to 3 followers on this account, and we're also getting free impressions every single day. So once you can see the other accounts, as I show you guys in the other videos, I show you guys the other accounts that we created. So right now we have a lot of accounts, and in the other upcoming videos I'm going to be showing you guys all the other accounts that I've created in the last few days, and I've posted content there that is driving traffic back to our affiliate offer. So once you go back right here and check our Pinterest accounts, so our Pinterest accounts from here, we're still posting content every single day. Since Instagram takes a lot more time to go and get traction, so right now we're still posting content where some of them are getting a few views, but always that we're going to be posting content every single day, because if you're consistent for example in a month or two, we are going to get our viral. You can go and get your viral video from Instagram. You're going to get a lot of followers, and it's going to be more sustainable. It's going to stay more than on Pinterest. So you can go and get, once you get content that goes viral on Pinterest, you can go and get a lot of clicks consistently than even on Pinterest. So we're going to continue posting content on this particular account, and this is the second account. We're going to continue posting content on them and continue getting views, because we're always getting some free clicks from these two accounts right here. So that's it, guys. So let's go right to our Instagram, inside our Clickbank accounts, and let's see how much traffic we got and if we actually made any sale or not. So let's go back to our accounts. So right now let's go back to our account, and let's go to the dashboard and see how much traffic we've gotten and if we've actually made any money right here. So let's go back to the dashboard and wait for this to load. I can see from here right now on the 26th day of this challenge, we have not actually made any money yet, because I'm showing you guys realistically what to go and expect. So this is not magic. This is using free traffic, and starting from scratch is actually going to take you time, but the main aim is to get as much traffic as possible, because as you're getting traffic, it's just a matter of time for you to make some sales. So let's go to reporting and let's see what has been happening in the last few days. So you can see right here yesterday we got up to 42 clicks. I can see from here somebody went to the other page, which means that we are very close to making our first sale right here yesterday. So let me go right on the previous day. So let me go right here on the 24th day, and apply. I can see on the 24th day we got 19 clicks, so we are getting clicks around 20 clicks plus every single day from our different accounts. So you can see right here yesterday we actually got a lot more clicks. We got up to 42 clicks on our accounts, and we got one unique initial order form impression from here. So we are very close to making our first sale. All we're going to do is we're going to be posting consistently to get a lot of traffic. So let's check on today. I can see from here today right now we have gotten only 11 clicks, and today is not yet finished. So hopefully by the end of the day we are going to get a lot more clicks, and hopefully in the remaining days we are going to be able to make our first money on Clickbank. So that's it, guys. I'm going to be updating you guys tomorrow on what I've been doing, and also show you the other different Pinterest accounts that I've created and posting content on. And I'm going to be updating you guys, and hopefully by the end of this we're going to make our first money using 100% free traffic from scratch. So that's guys, leave a like on this video and subscribe, and that is it. I'm going to update you guys in the next video.